Welcome back to Travel and Tales. Today we are going to share with you our very honest experience about the rooms at Grand Bahia Principe. Please note that this video will be done in two parts to provide you with a more in-depth tour. For the most part, the style of the regular junior suites looked the same in our opinion. They were about 463 square feet in size and offered AC, a sizable terrace, a bathtub, and a separate walk-in shower. Most of the rooms provided either one king-size bed or two queen-size beds, depending on what your preference is. What changed the most between the categories was the view. You may choose your room based on a garden view, connecting room, or oceanfront rooms. But like I said, most of the suites looked the same. We selected the oceanfront room, so make yourself comfortable as we share our honest opinion of this room.
We have arrived at our room. Here's a tour to show you what it looks like.
And welcome home to our nice paradise, or is it? That's what we're going to see about this room.
Before we go further, we have to step in and show you the first thing that we noticed about this room. Very strange.
Oh, it's different. They do it in some hotels.
So apparently, they gave us a lot of keys. And normally the keys would be one for the beach towel, one for the room. Not in this case. We got a third key, and it was for this. Have you ever seen something like this? Apparently, you need a key to activate the electricity. Go figure. That's different.
To save on electricity, so it'll be good.
Well, it says for your security, take your keys with you when you leave the room. How's that for our security?
I don't know if that's security. I think they're just trying to save on electricity. That's my thought. But then you look up to the roof. It's a little cheesy. It's not the nicest.
Okay.
It's like wood paneling. It kind of looks like hardwood floor on the roof.
It's a lot of wood.
Yeah. And then
we're not a fan of like this look.
No.
But here we are. Okay, so there's our safe. And then we got an extra blanket here. Okay, we've got an ironing board. Need that. Some hangers. Very dark.
Not a lot of lighting in here. And then we move on and we go into the actual bed station. It's a master bed with this wooden frame.
King size bed.
Yeah, which is okay. Not
with
bad.
a canopy.
But then we're in 2024 and look at the size of this TV that they've given us.
Oh, it's like arm's length.
Not that you need to be in your room all the time and looking at the TV, but when you're coming in for nighttime, it's nice to have a decent TV with decent color. I don't know.
And it's such a large space that they could have given us a bit more. For those of you wondering.
Not a smart TV.
And even the quality, like it's very grainy.
Then below, this is a plus, like every other room would have, is a minibar.
Okay.
Not exactly stocked. This is what they give you for what you're gonna be drinking for the day or night or week or whatever. So you get 2 beers, you get a water, you get 2 pops, and 2 Cokes, and then you get a Fanta or something like that. Usually it's like completely full. You have some sort of liquor on the wall, which maybe they have it. I don't think they do. We've looked around a little bit.
It's a far cry from what we've had at Moon Palace and Grand Palladium. But the bed is nice, very large. I like the look. It looks great. It looks great in pictures, and a bit deceiving because you think, ooh, it looks very classy. But when you're here and you're experiencing everything, then you kind of start seeing some of the
the little things that even the paint.
Yes, look at the paint.
You can tell this is repainted multiple times.
Many times. And it's not one of those painting that you're buffering it, like you're smoothing it
They're
out.
just painting
They're
over it.
literally painting it over.
There was a cockroach on there, they'd paint it over.
It reminds me of landlords, like the whole idea that landlords, they just paint over things. This is, look at this, like look at the bubbling, look at the bubbling. Now I do enjoy the pillars. It makes the room look, again, very classy. The lights.
The lights are very dim.
Very dim.
They have a fan in here, which is okay.
The furniture, like, is there, let me see if there are Bibles in here. No, where's my Bible?
Might be a Bible on the other side.
Okay.
We don't know.
How's the plug situation? Like, where are you plugging in your,
No Bible.
No Bible. Oh my goodness.
There's a couple plugs up here by the
Phones are
TV.
kind of older too. And you know they did paint because you can see the marks here.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to do the bed bug test here.
Well-
Whenever you go somewhere, please make sure you check the bed. You do not want to bring creepy crawlers home with you. So always do the bed bug check.
Now we're over here with our little, well, we have a bit of coffee. You could have the coffee in the morning, I guess. If you want, you don't really have milk
It's
in the
a lot
room.
of tea. Did they
Tea and
give you?
coffee.
Did they give you the mountain tea that Jamaica's known for?
have no idea.
No, they did not.
So over here we have our little sitting area where you could eat your food, beers, whatever, drinks when you're back in your room. And then you have this little sitting area, which is pretty nice. Or you could sleep somebody else on it.
This doesn't even turn into a bed though.
No, it's just a flat piece. Somebody could crash there though, if they need to.
Yes.
And then this is our ocean view. It's not bad. It's a lot of roof.
Yeah, we upgraded for the ocean view, ocean front.
Yeah.
You tell us, does this look like an ocean front? Here we go.
Well, it's on the ocean.
Is it on the ocean or can you just kind of see
You'd
it?
see the ocean and
Let's
whatever this section is.
Okay, all right, there's that. Okay, I can see it.
Well,
but
we'll have to wait till the sunrise in the morning.
Those rooms would have been a better view.
Yeah.
Or
It'll be
that
fine.
room over there would have been a better.
Plastic chairs, plastic table.
It's a bit
You
dirty,
can-
but it
You
looks...
can't, it's because it's the climate that we're in. It's always gonna be like this.
Then
Plastic
but they could have put something
or done
on
metal
it.
or something like that.
And then you see the speck.
Well-
It's just... Okay, I must say though, out of all the different resorts we've gone to in Jamaica, this one opens the easiest. So I'll give that to them. Then there's the door that adjoins to the other room. I mean, this lock down here and this lock here is what separates you from random strangers. No alarm clock. Another thing that is important, very important for me, is the thermostat. Look at this thermostat. It is quite dated. So there's the different settings for the fan, and Cody made it a point to put this as low as possible. We're gonna be cranking this up later, and then the fan system's up there. We're going in the bathroom. Now we have all the lights on in the bathroom, and to me, it still feels very dim. I keep looking up because as I'm talking to you, I'm noticing things about this room. Come on in with me. Love, love, love the fact that they have a walk-in shower, but my eye is picking up uncleanliness and it's making me feel very uncomfortable. So there's gaps in the panels up there. If you go to the faucet, you can see that there's some scum there, even on the walls. It could use quite a deep clean. I do like that we have some products, but I'm a big fan of having things that we can take back home. This is gonna, oh my God, get in here, Nick. Do you see it's kind of scummy? Did they even clean it?
Just being picky.
Are we being picky? I want it to be clean too. Okay, so but the toilet is in this corner. You can do your business and someone else could be in the bathtub or the shower. If you fall in, there's a phone, call for help if you need somebody. It's a single sink. Again, preferably not liking single. Going back to saying I don't like how it doesn't feel very clean is like there's these marks, right? Like
All the cup marks.
my gosh. And then there's a towel hook here. We've got a hair dryer, which is lovely. And the thing that they've given us for free is this single facial soap. Not even a single shower cap. Anyways, we've got a lovely jetted tub here. God knows if it's been cleaned thoroughly as well. Complimentary towel.
And this is where we have a big shit.
It kind of feels that this has not been renovated since, I'm gonna say early 2000s. Could use a little refreshing. We got a fan, which is nice for Cody. All in all, this is a very big resort. It's said to be bigger than Grand Palladium. Downside to this is that you are waiting longer for things. Because it's so big, a lot of people are going to the same venues as you are when you're going for breakfast, lunch, or dinner for your snack. And Cody says the toilet doesn't flush, which is an issue because someone needs it to flush. All right.
Now we can't flush it.
Now we can't flush. I want to upgrade this. Let's see if we can.
Thanks. We're hoping to see if we're able to upgrade our room, if possible. Thank you.
What?
A little dated. A little bit dated.
So what was wrong with our room?
The bathroom didn't work, the toilet didn't flush, the safe won't work. The TV's very small, which whatever, that's not a huge idea. Not a lot of facial stuff, like usually you get cream and stuff when you know, check in, especially to a 5-star. Lotions.
Shower cap.
Well, shower cap I'm not worried about, I don't have much hair. Let's go see if we can get a new room. Boop. Boop.
We're having trouble with this safe. It's a little bit more tricky than what meets the eye. What did they tell you?
Well, and the numbers are rubbed out. I mean, that's one obvious, but that's not obvious that that's an A. No idea. So on the top, there's this red button. Look on top. So that's the reset. We press this down, and then we make a code, whatever we want. Then we press B, enter the code again, press B, and then we should be able to lock it.
Okay, so let's see if this works.
Well, we'll see if
We're
it's
not
locked.
going to show you our
the code,
code, but we'll show
Here we
you
go.
if it works. Okay, so we gave it a whirl.
It works, which is good, but it would be nice if they actually had instructions on the vault so you didn't have to call to actually figure out how to open it. Now I'm gonna open it. Perfect. Now we can go out.